dancer to please come on stage. Congratulations. And for the first place goes to Bagong under the supervision of Miss Lailani Kalayat. Let us all welcome and give a round of applause for John Clarence Gapune. I'm sorry. Okay, advisor and trainer, please come on stage.
Lapit ka, bumapan mo. Itapat mo lang kasi nakapit.
For the team category,
Tapat mo na siya doon.
Napa.
Nagdasal nga ako na para manalo.
Congratulations
Nakabahan ako na.
to the advisors and trainers and most especially to the winners. Trainer, you are advised to come on stage.
Saan may trailer ng Bagumbong?
Trainer of Bagumbong,
Naman Kalayat.
Wala si Mama.
advisor of the winner from Bagumbong.
Oo, yes.
Congratulations. Job well done.
Diba yan? Pupunta pa.
Thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.